First program is, let me open directly in this mainframes and we will go there. So we'll use this PS1 as an input file. Okay, the same one I have captured the screenshot and I kept it over here for our reference. And then we will go through around 110 sample programs today. So what is this first program? It is simple copy. So we have this PS1 file and we want to copy it into another output file. If we see step 1, we have the job card, and after that we have the step exec. We are using the utility called sort. Previously in a previous programs we were using IEB genar, IFPF14, IEB copy, right? ID camps as an utilities. Now in the same place we are using sort as an utility. So for this sort utility, if we want to take an input, then we will be using sort in as an DD name and sort out as an output file name, DD name. Okay, you need to remember these two keywords, sort in and sort out. Sort in is used for input dataset and sort out is used for output dataset. Output dataset, this dataset is not yet created, and so we are giving all the parameters of the dataset like disposition, space, DCB, unit. Okay, and then sys in DD star. What is this sys in DD star? In the previous programs also we noticed, right? What is this sys in DD star? Sys in DD star means whatever you write in between sys in DD star and slash star, right? These values will be passed to the program. So inside this program, it will take these values. Based upon these values, it will do some functionality, this sort. So basically, we are passing some kind of input parameter to this program. What is the other utility that we can do this copy? Right, IEB gener is used to copy one PS file to another PS file. That also you can do, or you can use this sort utility as well to copy the dataset like from one PS file to another PS file. I will go ahead and submit this. See, max is 0. So we'll check this output file. Okay. See, this dataset got created and all the data present here. Okay. This is about copying the dataset from one PS file to another PS file. So here we are using, this is the first one, simple copy. Here we are using sort in, sort out and sys in DD star sort fields is equal to copy. And rest everything will be same. Okay. Now we will go for second program, which is to sort fields based on employee ID. Now we'll sort the records in ascending order based upon this employee ID field. Okay. Sort to, see, job card same, step card is also same, sort in, sort out, this is also same. We are just changing the output file name as output 2 here. And sysin dd star sort fields is equal to copy previously we provided, right? Copy means it will not do any kind of uh, sorting like in ascending order or descending order. It will not do anything. It will just copy whatever data present in input file to output data output file. So here if you see, we are giving 1 comma 6 comma ch comma a. What is this? 1 comma 6 is 1 means the starting position. It should start from first position, and 6 means the number of bytes we need to sort. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The employee ID is of 6 bytes, so we wanted to sort this employee ID in an some ascending or descending order, right? So that's why we give 1 comma 6. And ch, it's a character, right? Alphanumeric. We declare it as an alphanumeric. That's why we have provided ch over here, character. Comma a, ascending order. We wanted this to be in an ascending order, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, likewise. That's why we gave it as an ascending order. So now we will, any doubts in the sort fields is equal to 1 comma 6 comma ch comma a? Okay, I will submit it. We'll see the output. It got executed. Output 2. So if we have various outputs here, various files, I will give just star. We'll see. See, output previous job output is an output, and this one is an output 2. I will give view for output 2. So see, employee 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Everything got sorted out, right? Total 24 records. Here also we have 24 records, but here it was not in sorted order. Now it's in sorted order. Clear? Now I will go for third JCL. Sorting the employee ID field and filtering only male candidates. So now I want to sort it in an ascending order, as like how we did it in an second program. And I just want only the male candidates. I don't want any female candidates which was mentioned over here. Like see Vinita, Chinu and Sai Vinita, some other persons, okay? This is the third one. So here again job card is same, step card is same, sort in and sort out is same. Sort out we are just using output 3 here. And in sysintd star, we have the first parameter as sort fields is equal to 1 comma 6 comma ch comma a. This is also same. And we are additionally including one more parameter here stating include condition. Okay, we are writing include condition equal to 32 comma 1. 32 is an starting position, right? If we see columns, 32 is a gender field, right? 32 and comma one character. We are not taking multiple character. Gender field is an one character field, so we are taking 1 byte. Comma ch. This is a comparison, like whether it is equal, it should be equal, not equal, greater than, less than. We can give all these values over here. Okay. Now we are trying to compare. Equal to C means character. Again, what should be that? M. It should be equal to M. So basically 32nd position 1 byte character should be equal to M. If it is M, we are going to include that. I mean include that into an output file. If it is not equal, in case if it is other than M, we are going to exclude those. We are not going to insert into an output file. Any doubts, or shall I go ahead and submit this job? Yeah, submitting it. So max is 0, it got executed. I will go back and refresh here. Let's see we got output file here or not. Yeah, we got an output file 3. We'll view it. See, we got only male candidates, that too in a sorted order. Total we have 18. 18 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 female candidates were there in this PS file, so that got excluded now. Okay, now we'll go back to fourth program here. In the fourth program, now we want to exclude female candidates. Previously, what we tried, we included male candidates, right? Mm, it's like another condition here. Omit. You can do this, or since we have only male and female candidates too only, right? Or you can include, you can write it as I include condition equal to. So if we include only male candidates, it will also retrieve all the male candidates over there. Or if you omit female candidates here, that will also bring up the same result. So to differentiate, what I will do, instead of omitting female candidates, I will do omitting male candidates now. Okay, I will go ahead and submit. Any doubts in this? I am submitting it. Submitted. I will refresh so that we got an output file here. We'll see. See, now we used omit condition to omit all the male candidates here. So we got only female candidates. As we discussed, we have only 6 female candidates here in that PS file. Clear? Now we'll go for another program, sort 5. Here we will go ahead and remove duplicates. So we'll sort it in an ascending order and we will remove the duplicates. So how you are going to remove duplicates? We are trying to remove duplicates based on the employee ID. That's why we are providing sort fields is equal to 1 comma 6 comma ch comma a. We are sorting them based on the employee ID, and to remove duplicates, this is the parameter that we need to use. Sum fields is equal to none. If we use this, what will happen? From PS1, whatever data present there, it will check all the duplicates and remove them, and will copy only unique records into the output file. Shall I go ahead and submit? Submitted, max is 0. I will refresh. I got an output file. See, now we have only 12 records which are unique. Employee 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If we see the actual output file, we have 24 records with duplicate. 12 is 2 times, 9 2 times, 6 2 times, 7 2 times, here 7 and 7, employee 4 and 4. We have duplicate records here. Now we got all the unique records. So the syntax is some sort fields is equal to copy you can do, or you can sort it based upon the employee ID, and then some fields is equal to none. Go back. So the next program is, if we want to copy those duplicates, I said we are removing the duplicates, correct? But in case if I want those duplicates into some other data set, like all unique records in one data set and all the duplicate records into one more data set, then the syntax is sort in, sort out. Till here it is same. Here we are going to give sort xsum. You need to remember this. This is the additional one, additional DD name that you need to remember. Sort fields is equal to, this is same. Sum fields is equal to none, it is same. comma exam you need to add, comma exam, and you need to give the data set to capture all the duplicates. Sort exam. So what it will do, similar to the previous program, it will copy all the unique records into this output file, output 5, and the duplicates, right, it will capture into this output 5, exam.output 5. The difference here, that is sort exam, this is the additional data set that we are providing, and this comma exam is the additional thing that we are providing. Rest everything is same. Any doubts? Okay. Okay, we'll skip. We'll move on to this another program, sort 7. This program is to copy only AP state records in one file and KS state records in one file. So basically, this is um, based upon certain condition. Okay, we are splitting an input file into multiple output files. Okay, in this PS file, we have all the records, right? KS state, AP state, Telangana, Kerala, all 4 states we have here. Now I want only 2 state records, that too in 2 different files, like AP state records in one file and KS state records in one file. So here the DD names will get differ. Instead of sort out, we'll give sort of 01, sort of 02. Okay, and syntax will also get differ. Like the first one will always be same, sort fields is equal to copy, or you can give that sorting, and next two are outfill files is equal to 1. So it's like output is, we need to divert into file 1, sort of 01, include, we are this is, we already know, include condition, right? 32 to 32 32nd column, which is, sorry, okay, here we are giving only 32nd column, we need to change this. Okay, if we sort this, it will not work. Why? Because the state is at different position, 44th position, correct? This is at 44 column, so we will give 44 here, 44, 44 comma 2, 2 bytes we are going to take for state, since it's a 2 byte field, KAAP, right? So we are giving 2 bytes. CH character equals, what is that character? We need to equal CAP, and for the second file it's an KA. So AP files should go and store in the file 1, that is sort of 01, and file 2 for KA state records, it's 2. Shall I go ahead and submit? Any doubts in this? Oh, I'm submitting it. Maxis is 16. Y. We'll see why it got Maxis is 16. Sort of one not defined. Okay, okay, got it. So here, since we defined as an sort of 01, we need to give here as an 01. I will submit it again. So sort of, after that, whatever we are giving characters here, right, 01 or 02 or anything, that we need to give files is equal to that value, 01 or 02 likewise. JCL error I am getting. Why? Duplicate name on direct access volume. So it seems the dataset has been already created in the last run. We ran it here, right? That time the dataset has been created, it seems. See, the dataset has been created. So what I will do, I will delete these two and I will submit it again. Okay. Now we are providing proper values 0101 and files 0102, and so we will submit it here. See, max is 0 we got. We go there. I will do refresh. So it got created again. We'll view this. I gave view. So if we see in the first output file, we got only AP records. I will go back to the second file. Here output 7.ap, we have AP records. Here in KA, we have KA records. Clear? Here you can add one more line here. Repeat output 3 and Tamil Nadu records that we can give. I will repeat it. I will just change 3 and TN, and I will go ahead and do this as well to filter out Kerala records. Sort of 04 KL sort fills out fill files is equal to 04 and KL. Just before submitting it, what I will do, okay, now we'll observe one more thing. Okay, now this AP and KA datasets has been already created, right? So instead of deleting them, what I will do, I will comment out this parameters here for these two and give comma disp is equal to share. So what will happen? Why we are giving disp is equal to share means we know these two datasets has been already cataloged and they are already available. So what by providing disp is equal to share, what will happen is whatever data present inside this, it will get overridden with a new values now. To be more clear, what I will do, I will go here, I will edit it, okay, for your, I will edit this and insert this R10 I will do. So we have some junk values here, right? I will save it and I will go back. So if you see in AP state output file, we have some junk values as well. Okay. Now I am giving AP comma disp is equal to share, and then these two data sets we don't have, and I am going to submit. Max is 0 we got. We'll go to the output file. I will give refresh. See, these two are as is like it. Uh, these two are already there, and then the two new datasets got created. Now we will see whatever data present in before executing the job, right? The junk values and everything got deleted and it got overridden with the new values here. So if we are providing disp is equal to share, then what will happen? And if we are using that data set as an output file, then what will happen? Whatever data present previous before the job run, it will get overridden with the new values after the job run. Clear? So this is AP records, and for KA state we have KA state records, and Kerala KL state records we have, and TN Tamil Nadu state records we have. So this is how we can split a single output file into multiple output files. And sort 8. Now my requirement is I want only this employee ID and gender and state. Like only these three fields I need. I don't want name, I don't want date of birth, or I don't want department, I don't want this phone number. I only need employee ID, gender and state. So this is what we are going to do. So here again sort in sort out, nothing changed here. Sys in DD star, sort fields we are sorting it in an ascending order, the employee ID, and here comes the syntax indirect fields is equal to 1 is to 1 comma 6. 1 is to 1 comma 6 means the first one is there, right? I will take this and I will explain in more detail what we are doing. I'm adding it here. First one is output file position. Okay, and 1 comma 6 is in the input file. What is the field column that we are going to take? First position and 6 byte we are going to take. 1 is to 1 comma 6, first value is output file position where we need to start. Okay, and this 1 comma 6 is input file. From input file we need to take the values from first position, and how many bytes is this? 6 bytes we need to take. And again if we come here, this is an output file position, the second column from where it should start. Why we took 8? Why? Because the first 6 bytes already in the first column, from first column we already copied 6 bytes here, right? So seventh byte we need spaces, correct? Seventh byte we need spaces, and so we are starting from eighth byte again. The second column in the output file we are starting from eighth byte. What we are taking? 32 comma 1. What is 32? We are taking gender in eighth column now. So eighth column it's completed, right? We are taking 1 byte. So after that we need one space, right, to differentiate the columns. So we are taking, instead of starting from 9, we are giving 9 as spaces, and we are taking in an output file from 10th position we are again starting. What we are starting in 10th position? 44 comma 2. What is 44? 44 is state, and 2 bytes we are taking. You are clear? Any doubts here why we are using this? Okay, I will submit it. We'll see that output executed. This is output 8, right? Refresh output 8 we are getting. See, employee ID we got in 1 comma 6. Seventh byte is spaces. Eighth byte we are starting, right? So eighth byte, that gender is coming here, and ninth byte we are again taking spaces, and from 10th byte we started state, which is of 2 bytes, and it got copied. We are having, see, if you see sort in, we have two input files, sort in dddsn, and again we are giving dddsn is equal to ps2. We'll see what is that ps2 contains. See, ps2 having some employee with employee id 999 and some name and some details. Okay, and so What is that we are trying to do? We are trying to copy both the files into single output file. We don't need to do anything extra over here. We just need to add one additional line. That's it. And sort fields is equal to copy and everything is same. I am submitting it. Access is 0. PF9. I did refresh. PS9 is the output file which I mentioned over there. So I will open it. If you see, after 24 from first file 1, we got one more uh, data as well over here, which is from file 2. Clear? And the last program for day is sort 10. Here I want to skip first 5 records and copy next 3 records like 6th, 7th and 8th records. I don't want any other records. I want only 6th record, 7th record and 8th record. I want only these 3 records, employee 6, employee 7 and employee 8. I don't want these first 5 records and I don't want these further records as well. So what we can do is sort fields is equal to copy, skip rec equal to 5. That means we are going to skip first 5 records and after that stop after 3. What is the stop after 3 will do? First thing is we are skipping 5 records, right? And after that it will start copying the records 1, 2, 3. So the second one it will stop after 3. So it will stop copying the records after processing these 3 records. That is how it will work.